All right, how's it going? We're in Sedona. We're on our way home from Quartzsite. Look at how beautiful Sedona is. I mean, if you've never come hiking here, this place is absolutely beautiful. All the red rocks. It is beautiful in Sedona. But I am here to tell you, Sedona unleashed on us, and oh my gosh, I thought I was going to be stuck up on top of a mountain, and it was horrible. It was absolutely horrible. We're going to show you some of that footage right now.
That red rock is just so beautiful.
Yeah, it is. Yeah. Look at how pretty this is.
Wow. This is all national forest.
Oh, snow.
I sure wasn't expecting this.
No, me neither.
It's covered with snow. It wasn't plowed.
Oh, we're having fun now.
Well, this is the first cutout, you know, in 15 miles is where it connects. I'm just saying.
15 miles.
Yeah. It was 16.
You're going too fast. We've got to do this for 15 more miles.
Yeah. You're like on the
We are turned around and we're behind a snow plow. Thank you, Jesus.